The practice of mindfulness basically is paying attention in a particular way, purposefully, presently. Mindfulness is helpful to leaders because it helps leaders to zero in on what's happening at the present moment with more clarity. So they're less reactive, more strategic, and more of an observer. And also they're more present with the people that they're working with and more compassionate.
For me, it's been about not being so impatient and really focusing on the task at hand and taking the moment to listen to people, get their input, and being respectful of the dialogues that need to happen if we are going to be productive in our work.
Mindfulness for me has helped me in a workplace that can be very hectic at times. I find for myself emotions get very high with people, especially if you have to deal with any patient situations or anything like that. Mindfulness has helped me to stop, be in the moment, and doing that, I find it just sort of de-escalates everything.
The mindfulness really helps with being responsive as opposed to being reactive in more day-to-day situations. And I think too, like, that's what a lot of the Seven Grandfather teachings are about as well.
I find it very interesting that I'm able to be more productive. Taking time to just meditate for 15 minutes daily has provided me with an opportunity for self-care, and by taking care of myself, I'm able to be more present with others.
I found the whole experience of practicing to be more mindful very helpful, and I'll start from a personal perspective. I mean, how many times have you driven to work and had absolutely no recollection of how you got there? That's being mindless. So to be mindful is quite a bit of work, at least it is for me, but I find that when I practice being mindful, I am more in the present, which means that I'm more engaged when I'm speaking with people, and I'm certainly very engaged when I'm listening to people.